company AAR Seals LLP is into manufacturing of hydraulic pneumatic seals. We make seals by turning them on a pneumatic controlled machines. We do not mold these seals, but we turn them out of imported polyurethane PTFE bronze Viton tubes. Seals made by us are equivalent to any international make. We can make seals equivalent to Trelleborg, Frudenberg, Parker within no time. Seals up to 850 mm diameter can be made and dispatched by us within the same day. Some of our customers include hydraulic cylinder manufacturers, hydraulic press manufacturers. We also cater to the maintenance industry. We also cater to construction equipment businesses. We also make seals for oil and gas valves. I'll show you some of our products. So this is the polyurethane seal made from hydrolysis resistant polyurethane. These are mostly used in hydraulic cylinders and hydraulic presses. This is a seal which is used in hydraulic presses and hydraulic cylinders. This is a special seal which is known as spring energized seals. This we make for one of our oil and gas valve manufacturers. So seal for any application can be made and supplied by us within a day of time. We can also provide food grade seals in various materials such as polyurethane, Viton, rubber, HNBR, PTFE bronze, carbon filled PTFE, PEEK. We are a maintenance friend and can supply seals within a day of time. We have one of the biggest seals manufacturing facilities in Pune for machine seals.